Hi, this is Lisa Morantz here at the factory at Morantz Ultrasonics, and today we're going to be cleaning some pretty big drill heads. These were sent into us, and we're going to be using our M115 Ultrasonic Machine. The lift can hold up to 250 pounds. We've got about 200 pounds of weight on there right now between these three. I'm going to be lowering these down into the tank. Now in the tank, we have cleaned some other items, so it's not a freshwater tank, but we've been cleaning other parts in here. So there is activator and synergizer already in the machine, and these will probably be the last items that we clean in here because they're rather greasy, and then we'll drain the tank. So you see, you can't see to the bottom anymore. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that foot pedal. That'll activate the ultrasonic generator. You can see we're using 125 degrees Fahrenheit. You're not going to be able to see much, but we'll do our best. If I see a little something, I'll leave the camera rolling and then I'll just show you the after photos. See where we're at. Nice.